Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best welding jackets that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Black Stallion Welding Jacket. The Black Stallion is one of the best manufacturers of high-quality welding jackets in the market. This FN930C model comes with all essential features and better construction that helps the welder to use it more comfortably. It is made with 9 ounces. Flame-resistant, FR, breathable cotton that makes it lightweight, durable, and flexible to wear and move around. The welder's collar will provide enhanced neck protection. The 6 convenient snap buttons that include a collar button will come with leather reinforcement. The scribe pocket will hold welding pencils, paint makers, and soapstone, whereas the inside pocket to hold and secure small items safely while welding. Moving on at number 4, we have Keylink Leather Welding Jacket. Keylink manufactures reliable welding safety equipment including jackets, aprons, gloves, and spats. This welding jacket is made of cowhide leather that has heat and flame-resistant properties. The jacket comes in brown color with a chic design style. It is not limited to be used for welding, but also can be worn during other machining tasks including blacksmithing, torch work, woodworking, and automotive repairing. It also has a unique open-back design that helps you stay cool when you are working in warm environments. The leather welding jacket is stitched with US Kevlar heat-resistant thread for added durability. Even when the sparks and spats fall on the jacket, it does not leave any marks. The buttons are made of premium heavyweight metal so they don't wear out easily. There are 2 pockets, one on each sleeve for keeping tools conveniently when you are welding. At number 3, we have Keylink Welding Jacket. Keylink is specialized in producing various leather products with best quality. This welding jackets are made with thick leather to provide maximum durability, comfort and lasts longer. This full coverage jacket is made with heat and flame-resistant heavy-duty split cowhide leather to provide superior protection while you're welding. It is sewn with US Kevlar thread, stitched on both sides, that gives maximum strength and durability to the jacket. The inside pocket and soapstone pocket on each sleeve will provide extra storage for tools and cell phone. The adjustable collar allows you to use it either as stand-up collar for comfort and security, or, fully cover will protect your neck effectively. The buttons of this jacket are made with premium heavyweight heat-resistant metal. It is a multi-function jacket that not only meant to use for welding but also it is ideal to use for blacksmithing, shipyards, steel mills, automotive, torch work, manufacturing, gas welding, woodworking, etc. At number 2, we have BSX Gear Welding Jacket. The BSX is one of the best welding equipment manufacturing company that produce jackets meeting all the safety for high safety and visibility. This BX9C model is a most affordable jacket used for welding purposes. It is specially designed to provide comfort and convenience to the welder and thereby allows for the free mobility of the user while performing the welding tasks. So, the welder can free to work with this 9 ounces flame-resistant cotton welding jacket. The collar with extended length coverage, adjustable cuff, scribe pockets and waist straps will ensure maximum coverage of the body like neck, wrists and hands and thereby ensures the safety and protection against sparks, heat, fire and other dangerous rays. It is lightweight, durable and flexible and looks stylish with black color with red trim and flames. It is not suitable for the heavy-duty welding tasks in a colder climate. And finally at number 1. Miller Electric Welding Jacket. Miller Electric is a well-known brand for manufacturing best welding jackets. This 2,241,909 welding jacket comes with a composition of 88% cotton and 12% nylon that offers lightweight, durability, and high level of protection while welding. It is considered as the best jacket for hot weathers. The combination of these materials will make it perfect to wear over the summer clothes without make you feel hot or uncomfortable. It allows you to have a continuous working with great ease and comfort without any breaks. The high neck collar and good arm fit up to wrists will protect you from the fire, heat, sparks while welding. The material of this coat won't protect while working with highly intense sparks and may damage the jacket but won't the body. It comes with features like high stand-up collar, snug fit wrists and interior pocket to store all the must-have stuff. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.